Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Snapchat Remix not working. To fix this issue, first you have to go to your home screen and find the settings. Click on setting. Now scroll down, go to apps. Now click on manage app. Now click on Snapchat. Here you will see app permission option. Click on it and make sure your Snapchat app has all the necessary permission enable your device. If any permission is not allowed, then click on allowed. Now when you enabled all the necessary permission in your device, try to open your Snapchat app and see if your issue has been fixed or not. If this method is not working for you, now go on your main screen and now click on Play Store. In the search bar, type Snapchat, click on Snapchat. And here you will see a uninstall button, click on uninstall. Here you will see a install button, click on install. When your app is reinstalled, there will be a open option, click on open. Now see if your issue has been fixed. Hopefully this method will help you to fix your issues. Thanks for watching.